Introducing GoFastHobby.com's newest ducted fan RC Jet, the L-39 Albatros. This bird went in 24 hours previously. From 200 feet up in the air, it went straight down, nose first, from a loss of control. With a little bit of tender love and care and a lot of glue, this L-39 will get to see one more maiden flight. There wasn't much left of the plane but sheer will and determination. The plane was disassembled, the parts were steamed to bring them back, and then glued together once again. We did one slight modification, however. We added a 100 amp speed control and a 5-cell battery. We don't recommend this since it will probably blow up the motor eventually, but we wanted to find the limit, and here it comes. Overall, this plane flies amazingly scaled at 90 miles per hour out of the box, and it hits speeds well over 100 with the 5-cell. But don't be stupid. That's only for test pilots like us. We don't know any better. The plane comes plug and play with a 70 amp ESC 3700 kV brushless motor, retracts, and all the servos for $100. Ha! You can't beat that.